Of course, we all know what I've got in there. Anyways, guys, I just got down here to the airport where I put in at. I'm out here at Iams, one of my regular fishing spots. Fishing solo today. My buddy Matt, Bass and Beer, one of the guys, is at one of our local little water parks. He's on vacation, so I've decided to come out by my lonesome today and see if I can't catch some fish. Yeah, I'm gonna drink some beer, fish, and I think I'm gonna have some luck today. Let me show you guys kind of what I'll be using today. I'm gonna keep it simple and fish what I think is gonna work. I've got my little top water, little like torpedo type deal here that I'm gonna use later as it starts to get dark. We've got some big tall grass over on the left side of the river there. I'm gonna fish it a little bit. We probably don't fish it enough. We're gonna fish it a little bit today. Obviously, we've got the fluke. Gonna fish that if my June bug does not work. Worm. Matt picked these up at Bass Pro for me the other day. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a dark blue. I'm gonna fish that, and then I've also got the Ned rig. If that worm don't work, I'm gonna throw the Ned rig. I've got it in a June bug color as well. And then we've got this on the bait caster. It's just a little critter type bait. So we're gonna throw that out a little bit, but the water looks awfully clear today. So I may have some luck with that, but usually when it's murky down here, I don't have much luck with the more natural colors. I mean, that's me personally. I don't have as much luck in this river with that. So, but we're gonna give it a try today since the water's really nice and clear. So that's what I'm gonna fish with today. So anyways, I'm gonna get out here, guys, get on the water, paddle up, see if we can't catch some fish. Oh wow, holy shit, that's a big fish, guys. I don't know, yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, that's a decent largemouth right there. Oh man, oh shit, oh in the grass. He pulled me right over there. Oh man, what a mess. Get up there. Man, that's a good one, guys. Woo! Y'all see that? Turn it around there. Look at that. That's a nice largemouth right there. Not bad. Look at that, guys. That's nice. Pretty good. It's a thick little fish, nothing crazy. We're gonna weigh him, see what he weighs real quick. £1 pound, 9 ounces, so just right under 2 pounds. He hammered it, man, right as soon as I threw it right over by those bushes, man. He just absolutely destroyed it. Immediately on the fall, bam, hammered it. got him. No, you don't. Not today. Ah, damn it. Once I fish the wall for a minute, I'm gonna throw this topwater jig over here by this grass. Now that the water is definitely a lot cooler, which I mean this water stays really cool anyways, but man, it's getting close to fall fishing. I think I'm gonna have some luck on that topwater over there by that tall grass. Got him. A little bluegiller? No, a little bass. A little rock bass. How about that? Hey, I'll take it. Right on top of that. I felt him hit it a couple times. You better not get back there and get stuck. Frick. Okay, there. Little guy. Cool looking fish though. Alright guys, we're going to paddle across and see if we can't hit some top water. See what we can do. Hey, check it out. Bass and beer. This current's really carrying me down. But we're going to paddle across and see if we can't get some topwater blow-ups real quick. Hello. How you doing? Good. Doing all right. It's always good when you're out here, right?
Yeah. It's nice to have the river to ourselves.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I usually wait till about this time and paddle back.
Yeah. Like you got the whole place to yourself.
Yeah. A few boats came by. Yeah, I caught about a 2.5 pound largemouth and then a little bitty red-eye bass.
Oh, good for you.
Maybe I'll catch something on the way back, you know.
There you go. This is that bewitching hour.
Yep. See you guys. Have a good night.
You saw motorboats go by?
Yeah. There's a couple of them. And there was a canoe up past the barge and then a little john boat. Oh man, holy crap, man, God almighty. That is a huge bass, or a catfish. Catfish, caught a damn catfish, how about that? I felt the rolling, it definitely felt different. Maybe I'll get off here. Get out here in the light a little bit. Yeah, I seen that rolling and going on, man. I knew it wasn't a bass, the way it was rolling and stuff. Oh man, got his eyeball. Shit, buddy, I'm sorry. It's not a bass, but it's a fish. Sorry, buddy. I wonder if I can cut part of this hook off. That way it's not so damn bad. Or yeah, I could run it through probably. Fudge, man, I hate that. Damn it. Got it out. I got it out. He lost his eye though. God, it looks horrible. Poor damn thing. Damn it. Well, I guess that's that, but at least I got the hook out of him. Thank goodness I had these pliers on me. Little needle nose, so. Well, guys, looks like that's gonna end my night. Catching that catfish. I was gonna fish my way on down. It took a few minutes to get that hook out of him. So I'm just gonna paddle back and head home. Not a bad day. A few different species there. Nice little largemouth, and then I caught the rock bass, red-eye bass, and then the catfish. So I'm gonna paddle back, get to the house, and get some rest tonight, and hopefully maybe come out and fish tomorrow or one day this week, get another video up for you guys. As always, remember guys, hey, bass and beer. And if any of you guys will be interested in maybe a t-shirt or a decal for your kayak or your boat, just, you know, comment down below and let us know. We're going to get a little run of t-shirts done here soon. I think we'll be running like black t-shirts with like turquoise letters, or brown and turquoise, or whatever you want with turquoise. But we're digging the turquoise right now, so we're going to run a few of those. So just comment, subscribe, hit that little bell button there so you get notified when we post videos. And once again, guys, thanks for watching Bass and Beer.